Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on week 16 of our trip from Maryland to California. We're moving, and we're on week 16. We're still in our temporary living space in Carlsbad, and we're waiting for our final place to be completed in Oceanside, which should be done sometime, it seems like, in the middle of December. So, why don't you come with me? So we are in San Marcos at Peter Sagan's Grand Fondo, which is a bike ride, and I'm going to show you. Peter Sagan is a sprinter, if you don't know, and I'm going to show you a little bit of that. And we're going to volunteer to help a vendor give out samples to these bikers. Here's the finish line, and you can see here comes a cyclist right now. So this is where we're going to be volunteering. This is Quantum. So they have a great energy bar, and so we're going to be volunteering here and handing out samples. So we'll show you some of that. That's Peter Sagan. We were walking the dog today, and we came across a little hummingbird. So I just wanted to show you. You know, he's just kind of hanging out there. I don't know if I can get him to fly. Hey, hummingbird. How come he's not taking off?
It's weird. Usually they're so skittish.
Hey.
Fly, hummingbird, fly. That is so weird.
Maybe I'll get closer to him. I don't know how close I can. Uh-oh. So what we decided to do for our gym is we're gonna get a house gym. We're gonna put a gym in our new house because we think that's gonna be more time efficient. So we'll put it in the garage, I think. So we're gonna do that. But in the meantime, because we're still in a temporary place for another month and a half or so, or month, somewhere in that range, depending on when they give us a date that we're going to be done. We're going to join a temporary gym, and so this is it. I think it's a Planet Fitness, but the reason I want to do it is we're not going to be joining it annually. We're just going to join it for about a month and a half, and then we're going to be done. So we're going to join this one, and this is in Carlsbad, and we're going to give it a try, and hopefully it'll suit our needs for the next month and a half, and then we can become, build our own gym more accustomed to what we really want it to be at home. All right, well, it was tough, but day one is done. We basically took off 3 months from lifting weights because we moved across the country and we bounced around all over the place. So we finally joined the gym and we're back at it. So day one's done. I'm sure we're going to feel it tomorrow, but you know what? It felt great being in the gym again, and can't wait until day two. So I had to just video this. We're on a walk, taking our dog. There's a little fountain here in the neighborhood, and this is in Carlsbad, and someone put like a dead alligator head in the water, so it kind of looks like an alligator is swimming around, but obviously it's not alive. But I just thought that was kind of funny. So California continues to be a wacky place. This is a tree that we just walked by in this neighborhood, and someone put this little door up there that says fairy sleeping. There's another one there, and then if you walk over to this tree, you'll see that there's a few more. There's one here, and there's one down there, there's one over there. I'm sure there's a few more around here, but it's basically kind of interesting that that's the tree that the first ones were on. But it's interesting, someone has the creativity to do that. Anyway, California's proving to be a pretty interesting place. All right, so we're back to our house. We're going to check it out and see what they've done to it so far. This is our house that's being built. This is what the garage looks like, and we're going to go inside and see what kind of progress they've made to the house. So, well, they're getting the bathroom done, so you can see that. We got the sink in, the floor, the shower. But this is the room that's downstairs. One thing they don't have is the floor, and so I was hoping that would be done. But let's go upstairs. This is the front door, by the way, our front door. We just came into the garage. So obviously the stairs need to be rugged, or actually it might be floored, I can't remember. And this is the living room and the kitchen. So they got some of the appliance, they got the stove in, it looks like. So they got that in the microwave. And maybe I'll walk around here.
We gotta get them different.
Yeah, they got the dishwasher in. So coming along a little bit there. Cabinets are all in. It looks like they changed the stain here because we want it to be darker. So it looks like that's been done. Okay, now we're going to go upstairs. Now again, this is not, doesn't have anything on the stairs yet, so it's still the wood, so that obviously is going to change. So they don't have any of the flooring in yet, but they'll get there. What does that look like? Oh yeah, so they'll probably have to fix that. Is there anything in there? They got the doors on. But, I can't remember if we have to get the washer and dryer. I think we do. So that bathroom, let me show you that. Bathroom is getting there. It looks like they just need to, well, it looks like the bathroom's getting there. So this is one of the bedrooms.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, there's some nicks here, so they'll have to fix that. And nick there. It's been painted at least once. I think they're gonna have to do a second coat. So we're gonna come into, this is the master bedroom, and we'll see how the bathroom is. Looks like they got the sinks in, and the cabinets. They got the mirrors in. You can see all the mirrors. It's a pretty big bathroom. I mean, one sink, it's pretty far away from each other. This is the shower, so the shower door is on the master bath. So we even got a little medicine cabinet, it looks like. We don't really take a whole lot of medicine, but if we did, we can put it in there. Toilet's in there.
This is kind of silly.
This is the walk-in closet.
What can you hang right there?
You know, very short shirts you can put in there.
And right there.
Yeah, it's maybe a waste of space. We might have to rip all this out eventually and do one of those, what is it called, those things?
Like the Alpha system.
Yeah, the ELF system or something like a smart closet type thing to really take much more advantage of the closet than because it is a smaller closet than one we're used to. And anyway, it's getting there, but it still has a bit of a way to go. We're gonna go check out the rooftop deck. So yeah, it's like 3 floors and a rooftop deck. So we'll go up here. I'll show you that. Let's see what they got here. It looks like, well, they really don't have to do a whole lot up here, I guess. Looks like it's pretty much done. Oh, they did something there. Oh yeah, right. Yeah, they put the metal up on this side. So I'm not sure if they do on top of that. I don't think they leave it like that, right? Then they put something on top of that to make it look a little better. We have some outlets up here, which is good because we're gonna hook up some stuff and make this a really nice place. Beyond that fence is good. We'll probably have Snickers area. Our dog have a little like AstroTurf type of thing for her, so she can come up here and go to the bathroom. And again, this is our view. So we really can't wait to get in here because that's the ocean right there. And it's a little cloudy today, so you can't really see it as well, but that's a really nice view. All right, so we're heading to the Oceanside night market, and we're gonna see what it's like. This happens every Thursday, and we just haven't been here yet, so we're gonna give it a check out. What do you think, Robin?
Yeah, we'll see what it's all about.
Well, looks like it's crowded, so we'll show it to you.
And I'm like, did you?
4 Snickers. So we're in La Jolla now, and we're out here to cheer on the Komen 3-day walk people. We actually know some people from Maryland who have a team. We used to actually be part of that team years ago because we did the Avon 2-day walk back in Washington when they had it several times, but now we're here. So we're going to root them on. They're going to be walking through any moment, so stay tuned. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
We went to Mexico on our trip. Someone told us to go to a place called Porto.
Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job.
Porto where?
Mexico.
No, I've never heard of that.
Good job. Good job.
In the mountain. Right.
Like the outfit.
So different.
Great job. Great job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Good job. Another cone head. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. I like the outfit. Good job. Good job. Good job, everybody. Good job. Nice outfits. All right, our friends are showing up. They're in the light blue. They're in the light blue. So we're gonna say hi to them. Ooh, all right. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Hey.
How are you?
Good. Here goes our team. They are the team that we were on when we were back in Maryland. They're from Maryland, but they came all the way out to San Diego to do this 3-day walk. Grossberg, CPA firm, and I have to hand it to them. They're doing a great job. So we're trying to catch up to our team. We just parked the car in a different location, and they're up here somewhere. We'll see. So I'm just going to show you this dog that's riding a motorcycle. So anything goes in California, I guess. That's a dog. Let me see if I can show it to you. There we go. That's a dog riding a motorcycle. There he goes. Kind of an interesting thing. Let's see what this dog looks like. So we're headed to Steel Beach, La Jolla. This is after the COVID walkers are cheering them on, and you can see there's a couple of seals, or sea lions, I should say, on that rock with a bunch of birds. I'm going to show you a little bit. Just wanted to show you how nice it looks. So as you can see, you can get pretty close to these guys.
Dude, wait, let's talk about how so we were here, right? It wasn't Seal Beach, it was penguins, and my friend was trying to take a picture.
This is a historic path that we're on, and it's also pretty high off the ground. I'm not going to walk over there, but pretty cool. All right, well, week 16 has come to a close, and we're just loving life out here in San Diego County, and I would recommend anyone coming here, especially if you're active, because there's people all over the place, and you can probably see that from the other parts of the video. And anyway, the sun's going down. You can see it in the background.
You can't see it.
You can see it a little bit. And anyway, until next week, I'll see you. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.